اپنی گلی میں کتا بھی شیر ہوتا ہے. A dog is a lion in his lane. A dog is a lion in his lane. آدمی پیٹ کا غلام ہے. A man is a slave of his stomach. A man is a slave of his stomach. انسان کی قدر مرنے کے بعد ہوتی ہے. A man's worth is known after his death. A man's worth is known after his death. تھوڑی دیر بعد وہ آیا. A while later he came. A while later he came. تھوڑی شکر اور ڈال دو. Add a little more sugar. Add a little more sugar. احمد نے اپنے والدین کو الوداع کہا. Ahmed took leave of his parents. Ahmed took leave of his parents. پانچوں انگلیاں برابر نہیں ہوتی. All are not alike. All are not alike. بہتر ہے. All right. All right. دنیا فانی ہے. All things must pass. All things must pass. ہمیشہ اپنی بات کے پکے رہو. Always be true to your words. Always be true to your words. احمد آج کل بیکار ہے. Ahmed is out of work nowadays. Ahmed is out of work nowadays. میرے لائے کوئی خدمت؟ Any service for me? Any service for me? پکا؟ Are you sure? Are you sure? جیسے ہی میچ شروع ہوا بارش ہونے لگی. As soon as the match began, it started raining. As soon as the match began, it started raining. سب کچھ حسب معمول ہے. Everything is as usual. Everything is as usual. جیسا آپ چاہیں. As you like. As you like. جیسی آپ کی مرضی. As you wish. As you wish. آخر کار وہ آ ہی گیا. At last he came. At last he came. پہلے آپ جناب. After you, sir. After you, sir. سب ٹھیک ٹھاک ہے. All is well. All is well. آپ میری مدد کرنے والے ہو نا؟ Are you going to help me, aren't you? Are you going to help me, aren't you? دھیان سے. Be careful. Be careful. جتنا ہو نرم خوں بنو. Be nice as much as you can. Be nice as much as you can. معزولی کے لیے تیار ہو جاؤ. Be prepared for dismissal. Be prepared for dismissal. وقت کا پابند رہیے. Be punctual. Be punctual. چلتے بنو. Be on your way. Be on your way. अपनी उम्र के हिसाब से काम करो. Be your age. Be your age. मुहतात रहिए. Be aware. Be aware. अपनी नाक साफ कर लो. Blow out your nose. Blow out your nose. इसका कोई फायदा नहीं हुआ. It was of no use. It was of no use. मेरी सारी उम्मीदें मिट्टी में मिल गईं. All my hopes were dashed to the ground. All my hopes were dashed to the ground. हकीकत यह है कि वो बीमार था. The truth is that he was ill. The truth is that he was ill. लेकिन मैं और कर ही क्या सकता हूं? But what else can I do? But what else can I do? क्या आप घड़ी देखना जानते हो? Can you read the watch? Can you read the watch? खाना अच्छी तरह चबाओ. Chew your food properly. Chew your food properly. अच्छी तरह साफ करो. Clean properly. Clean properly. जल्दी आओ. Come soon. Come soon. चाहे कुछ भी हो, मैं आपका साथ नहीं छोड़ सकता. Come what may, I cannot leave you. Come what may, I can't leave you. मुबारक हो. Congratulations. Congratulations. यकीनन. Definitely. Definitely. मजा आया? Did you have fun? Did you have fun? जैसा मैं कहता हूं वैसा करो. Do as I tell you. Do as I tell you. जैसा कहा गया वैसा करो. Do as told. Do as told. वादे से मत फिरो. Do not back out of your promises. Do not back out of your promises. पागल मत बनो. Don't be silly. Don't be silly. किसी का दिल न दुखाओ. Do not injure anybody's feelings. Do not injure anybody's feelings. इसकी फिक्र न करें. Do not mention it. Do not mention it. मेरी बात दिल पर मत लो. Do not take my words to heart. Do not take my words to heart. सब काम अपने सर मत लो. Do not let too much go to your head. Do not let too much go to your head. तकल्लुफ ना करें. Do not trouble yourself. Do not trouble